Okay, what's up guys? It's your boy, Hudson Gaming, back at it again. And yeah, so today I decided I'm gonna buy the new airplane cosmetic. So yeah, let's get right into the video. Okay, there they are. Which batch driver? This one? No. Where's Fishy? Now throw my code. No! Okay, let's buy the new airplane cosmetic. Let me add to my cart really quick. Okay, before we actually buy it, we're gonna do some testing with it. So let's see. No! No! Okay, this is hard. Just to let you guys know, I only have 5,800, so yeah, let's buy it. There we go! Now, I'm broke boy. Or am I not? Nope, it says I have 300. Let's equip the airplane! There we go! Yo! There we are! Alright, let's test this thing out! Whoa! Okay, let's go to the forest. Okay, let's try to get the treehouse. Yo! Go to the air, bro! No! Think, how did bro go down the slide? Wee! No, go up, turn! No! Oh! Okay, let's go to treehouse. I have an idea. Yo, I didn't know I added this. Okay, let's. Yippee! Yo, there it is! Oh my gosh. Wee! Turn! Yo, where'd it go? Oh, it died. R.I.P. Why is that music on? Where's the mute button go? Okay, where are we gonna do this? Oh yeah, let's get to the top of stump. Yo, water. 50! Why are you spraying that water? Go! No! What the heck? Yo! Go to the moon, buddy! Go to treehouse! No, don't go up! Oh! Okay. Oh, do a flip! Do the flip! Yo! Dang it. Yo! No! Well, that's going to be it for the little short video, and bye, I'll see you next time.